let us discuss about the seed. Seed is the result of sexual reproduction. Here the seeds are developing after fertilization. After fertilization, the ovules develop into seeds. The seed is having mainly two parts here, seed coat and embryo. Here it is the seed, and the seed is having the seed coat. Sometimes it is hard, sometimes it is very thin, and having two layers, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is called as testa and inner layer is called as tegmen. It is outer layer, and tegmen is inner layer. And inside the seed coat, here embryo is present. Here embryo, and here embryo is having two parts, mainly embryonal axis. Embryo is present here. Embryo, embryonal axis and cotyledons, two parts are there. Here embryonal, here embryo and two cotyledons, one or two cotyledons. One or two cotyledons. One or two. So one cotyledon is present in monocot plants. In monocot plants like here wheat, maize, rice. So in these crops are in Poaceae family members are in monocot plants. Here the cotyledons only one cotyledon is present. And in dicot plants like here mustard or pea. So in these plants two cotyledons are present. Here one cotyledon or two cotyledons. So it is dicot. For example, it is dicot seed. Dicot seed is having two cotyledons. It is one cotyledon. It is one cotyledon. Two cotyledons. And generally the cotyledons are rich in nutrients, rich in proteins, or rich in nutrients. And here embryonal axis. So in the embryonal axis, embryonal axis is having here two parts. One is a plumule and the second one is radicle. So in the embryonal axis, the upper part or which develops into shoot system, that is called as plumule, and lower part, that is radicle. Radicle develops into root system. So the two parts, upper part or the embryonal axis ends with a plumule and a radicle. A plumule develops into shoot system, radicle develops into root system. So here in the seed mainly two parts, seed coat and embryo. Seed coat is outer layer, embryo is here having two parts, mainly embryonal axis and two cotyledons. It is embryonal axis and two cotyledons. In the embryonal axis, it is ending with plumule and other end is with radicle. Cotyledons one or two. In monocot plants, only one cotyledon. In dicot plants, two cotyledons. So based on the number of cotyledons only, the angiosperms are classified into here two types: monocotyledonae, dicotyledonae. Monocot plants, dicot plants. And here if we see the here dicot seed, first of all here we are going to discuss about dicot seed or structure of the dicot seed.